farm animals. Look, it's a guinea pig. Oh, it's a bunny rabbit. Hip hop. Oh, look, it's a kitty cat. Meow. The chicken, cluck, 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 cluck. And the rooster goes, cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, look, that's what the farmer drives all over the farm. And those are all his tools. And there's the alpaca. Alpacas make humming sounds like, It's a pony. Neigh, neigh. And the donkey goes, hee-haw, hee-haw. The ducks love to swim, and they go quack, 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 quack. And so do the geese, honk, honk. The peacocks are so brightly colored, except for the girls.